As a human, we have the ability to feel the love of our partner. But did you know there are actually people in this world who face difficulties in falling in love? This condition is not due to the person himself, but it is caused by a rare disease called hypopituitarism. Hypopituitarism is a rare disorder in which your pituitary gland fails to produce one or more hormones, or doesn't produce enough hormones. The pituitary gland is a kidney bean-sized gland situated at the base of your brain. It is part of your body's endocrine system, which consists of all the glands that produce and regulate hormones. The condition, therefore, leads to hormone deficiencies that may affect sexuality in various ways. Healthy testosterone and estrogen levels are needed for that initial attraction, the primal hunt for a mate. It is no wonder that for both men and women, low testosterone or imbalances of the estrogen isomers E1, E2, and E3 are common culprits in low sex drives. Do you know that feeling of being twitterpated? Your heart beats faster, your cheeks flush, and you break out in a cold sweat. You're either being chased by a bear or you're falling in love. That feeling that typically is at its highest at the beginning of a romantic relationship is due to adrenaline and cortisol. With hypopituitarism, both men and women will experience a loss of interest in sexual activity due to hormone deficiencies. The good thing is that hypopituitarism can be treated. The first step in treating hypopituitarism is often medication to help your hormone levels return to normal. This is usually called hormone replacement because the dosages are set to match the amounts that your body would produce if it didn't have a pituitary problem. Some may need to take the medication for the rest of their life. In some cases, treatment of the condition causing hypopituitarism may lead to a complete or partial recovery of your body's ability to produce pituitary hormones. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.